Hello everyone! Hey Nia, what's up? Is there a problem? Do you want to know what is going on in this circuit? Alright then, coming next is current. Wait, do you have any idea what is current? Okay, let's have a look at our water pump system. The water continuously flows in the pipe. It consists of small particles known as water molecules. Similarly, in electronic circuit, the electric charge resembles the water molecules and the flow of these charges is known as electric current. Okay? What? You didn't get it? Let's start again. Do you know what you are made up of? You, me and everything in this universe is made up of small particle known as atom, which consists of even smaller particle known as charges, and the flow of these charges is what we call current. Certain objects have a lot of free charges which moves easily whenever connected to a power source. These objects are known as conductors. Example, a wire. But remember, never ever touch an uncovered wire whenever the current is flowing through it, else it will give you shock. Sometimes so dangerous that you can even die. Another thing to keep in mind is the direction of current. Conventionally, it flows from the positive terminal of the power source to the negative terminal of the power source. Current is measured using the device known as ammeter. Unlike voltmeter, it is always connected in series. Hey, thanks for the sweet reminder. That's all for the day. Actually, we're getting late for the movie. So, see you next time. Hey, wait for me!